The mere reason that I carry Jesus in my boat inamaanisha kwamba we can all experience the same thing, but I have the solution within me. I wish I was talking to somebody. Sisi wote tunaweza experience economical crisis, but as long as I carry Jesus in my life, I have somewhere to run to. Boats zingine zilikuwa zinalalamika, but they did not have anyone to call upon. Lakini Biblia inasema wakati dhoruba ilizidi katika bahari, walienda wakatafuta Yesu, wakamlilia Yesu. And I'm here to remind someone today that in your storm, you have Jesus in your boat, and you can cry to him. Unaweza ukamlilia Yesu na akasuluhisha kile ambacho kinakutatiza. One thing ambayo inatusumbua ni kwamba we are trying to solve it on our own. Tunasahau ni nani aliyetuambia tuanze safari. The Bible says, because Jesus is the author and the finisher of my faith. So if he is the author, it means he is the beginner and he is the finisher of everything in my life. So whenever I am going through my crisis, I will not run to other people. I will run to the one who began it.